Okay guys, today we're going to solve this equation. X squared minus y squared is equal to x minus y, or this squared. We're looking for the value of x and the value of y. Okay, here we go. We have x squared minus y squared is equal to, we're going to use the binomial expansion here. So we have x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, at this level I'm going to subtract x squared on this side and subtract x squared on this other side. That is, we have negative x squared plus x squared minus y squared will be equal to negative x squared plus x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, at this level we have negative x squared plus positive x squared. This is equal to 0. So we remain here with negative y squared will be equals to negative x squared plus positive x squared is equal to 0. We remain here with negative 2xy plus y squared. Okay, now I'm going to send this expression this other side. So we have here negative y squared. This negative, when it comes this way, it becomes positive 2xy, and this positive, when it comes this way, it becomes negative y squared will be equal to, here we have 0. Okay, at this level we have, I'll take this first, 2xy minus y squared minus y squared, that's minus 2y squared will be equal to 0. Okay, now I'm going to factor this expression out by 2y. That is, if I remove 2y here, I remain here with x minus, if I remove 2y here, we remain with y will be equal to 0. Okay, at this level we have 2y will be equal to 0, or x minus y will be equal to 0. Okay, I will divide this side by 2 and divide this other side by 2. That's this on 2 will be equal to this on 2. I can cancel 2 here, so y will be equal to 0, or x will be equal to y. Okay, at this level we have two value. We have y can be equal to 0, or x can be equal to y. Okay, now we're going to replace this inside our initial equation, and don't forget the equation x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y, or this squared. We're going to replace this value of y and this value of x here and see if it's going to work. Okay, for y, say for y equals 0, we have, okay, x squared minus, we're going to replace y by 0, minus 0 squared, it is equal to x minus 0 all this squared. You have 0 squared is 0, that means we have here x squared will be equal to x minus 0, that's x squared. This we have x squared is equal to x squared. So this is good. What we are going to take the second solution. Now we have for x equals y, we have here x squared minus, let's copy the equation back, minus y squared is equal to x minus y squared. Okay, now we're going to replace x by y. So we have here this x will become y squared minus y squared will be equals to, we'll replace here also y minus y, all this squared. That means y squared minus y squared, this is 0, is equals to y minus y, that's 0, all this squared. And finally we have 0 is equal to 0. This is good also. So finally at this level, the solution of the equation x squared minus y squared is equals to x minus y, all this squared, are y can be equal to 0, or x can be equal to y. So we have our solutions, and I hope this video was helpful. If it is the case, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.